Hi, I'm Martina Cordero, and I'm going to show you the quick release technique. This is a really fast technique that you can use to dissolve stress as it arises. So, for example, if I'm in the middle of washing dishes and I start ruminating, I'll just do this technique. Or if I'm in the car at a stoplight, and I notice some stress coming up, I'll do this. It's really fast, it's really easy, but it only works if you use it and use it often. So here it is. You're gonna pick two spots on either side of the room, or if you're outside, wherever you are, you pick two spots. So look to your right, pick a spot. Look to your left, pick a spot. Now move your eyes left and right, looking at those two spots. You're going to keep your eyes moving left and right, accessing both sides of the brain. Left looking into right, the right looking into the left. And you're going to keep looking until your eyes get tired and feel the urge to blink. Then look straight ahead, shut tight, open, squeeze tight, open, squeeze tight, open. Do that 3 times and then take 3 deep breaths. And that's it. You can do as many rounds as you want till you feel better. So I'll do it again with you if you like. Left and right, left and right, left and right. Till you feel the urge to blink, or till your eyes get tired, start to burn. Squeeze tight, open, tight, open, tight, open. 3 deep breaths. That's it.